Traders, the settled ding, hit take profit. Super nice. But I want to talk about today the three things what I was holding on my mind all this bearish trend so far. And I want to talk about those three things. First, we have breaking structure. And what we have here, we have the 618 retracement, downside 618, downside. Next thing what we have breaking structure and retest. Breaking structure, retest and continue. So the next level, what we have here, 618 retracement, downside, break and retest. Break, retest and continue. This entry here was the 618 entry. 18 downside. So right now my structures are a little bit different, but the previous major is down here. Break and retest. So you can see here the similarities all the way down. And the third thing is the failing W, and boom, we failed it. You can see every single time when there is opportunity now in the future to going long, it was fail. Look at here. We have a failing W, has to go higher, but what has happened? We break lower. Now all the way down. What is up here? Exactly the same thing. Where is the opportunity? Price fails. Here you have the bigger W and then you have the smaller W here. It fails. So here we have very similar journey, like how we started, the W pattern. You can see here, but if you're going more a little bit, this is the extension one, and here you can see the W. And again, it was failing. You fail, and here again you can see the W was failing. So every single time the W was failing, and today when we hit take profit, you can see here that was the first time when the W was respected today. And if we're using the FIB, you can use the FIB here. And downside, you can see here in the 618, there was something there, but what this W indicates for me, the W pattern, is patient, because there is opportunity. I'm not going to trade this one. You can see there is opportunity, price to go higher. How strong that opportunity is, we don't know. But so far, it is pushing higher and breaking previous highs. So for right now, it's been on selling. So for me, this one is just patient and waited out the structure, information, and something what I can gather. But those are those three things what was in my mind when this was created here in the first place. And then all the way down. For example, when we zoom in for the scalping opportunities, when those W's are failing, you can see here W is failing. Break under, retest and start going. Here we can see going under. So those are today opportunities, and here is very bright and clear too. W here, you can see going higher, break down, the pattern low, no retest, so W high, pattern low, and then you have structure here, and structure was break and retested. Very nice entry. If you entry is here, your stop loss, let's put this wick high, and TP, yeah, why not, all the way down here. Nice scalp here, beautiful scalp. And this W here, ooh, a very beautiful candlestick pattern, very beautiful. Break, retest, break under, so W high, there is W low, break and retest, and structure, and the structure low is down here. No retest, but you have retest here and you have retest here, and same day profit. For example, if you take, this is super nice entry here, stop loss here, and that would be TP. But that's just something for the scalpers. But those was the three things what I was holding in my mind. 618 downside, breaking structure, and failing W. Now, in the future, you can do the same thing. Just remember little information how it started. It is very, very helpful. And if you see something what is going opposite side, for example, if you're selling, then just patient. Wait when the information is there, something new, because right now what we have W pattern what is respected upside, and now we have the sell side 618 disrespected. Right now what is here, it's a W and it's still continue, so we don't have the Fibonacci right now, but it can be. For example, if you delete this one, going back to the scalping, you have super nice Fibonacci here, the 618, super nice. You can see here 618 retest, and price is going straight to the take profit 4. So there is something already, some information, but a bigger 50 time frame, the Fibonacci is still forming because we don't have high, still breaking the highs. But that's the one. Just keep those things in your mind, and it's definitely help you in the future trading to take those trades and to be patient. Thank you. I'm gonna see you every single one tomorrow. If you have some questions, leave in the comments. Ciao.